Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is finally here. I mean, it obviously is here. We recently did a video comparing the device's camera with the OnePlus 7T, and it's a great video. You should definitely watch it. But coming back to the device itself, it has a lot of features other than the camera. And the one thing that I genuinely love about it is OneUI 2.0. It's not the best custom OS out there, but it is definitely good and comes really close to competing with my favorite Oxygen OS. Now, where it lacks is that although it does have a lot of advanced features, all of those are quite hidden inside various different options. As a consumer, you should definitely be knowing all about it, and that's what you're here for today. Hey guys, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and today I'll be talking about 9 cool tips and tricks for the S10 Lite that you should definitely know about. Let's get started. Okay, so the first trick here is to turn on dark mode. It's one of the most requested features, OneUI 2.0 has it, and it works absolutely great. Just head over to settings, display, and enable the toggle next to dark mode. Alternatively though, there's also a quick settings toggle for it if you fancy that kind of stuff. Now dark mode is great, but even when the display is turned off, the always on display on this phone makes it look absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it's a Samsung display, so that's to be expected, right? Now to turn it on, simply head over to lock screen settings and tap on always on display. Here you can customize the kind of AOD you want along with various clock settings and more. Personally, I like to keep it at always on, but if you want to use it to just check the notifications, the tap to show option is what you should definitely go for. Now while there are a handful of options to customize for the AOD, you can also customize the power key. Now, I mean, obviously a single press will be just for the power button to lock the screen, but you can still customize the double tap and the long press action. In order to do that, just head over to settings, advanced settings, and tap on side key. Here you can customize the actions as per your liking. Personally, I like to keep the double tap action to open an app like Google Keep for taking my notes and the long press to launch the power menu, cause who uses Bixby anyway? Now, another thing that you can change on this phone are the navigation gestures. I mean, it's only fair to get the full screen experience on a phone this good. Well, to do that, just go to display settings and scroll a bit down to enter the navigation bar option. Here, tap on full screen gestures to enable them and voila, you're done. Okay, so while we're on the topic of gestures, Samsung S10 Lite also comes with one-handed mode. Now, I know the One UI is already better optimized for single-handed usage, but this mode takes it a step further. Now to enable it, just head over to settings, advanced settings, one-handed mode, and turn the toggle next to it. You can choose from having a gesture or a button for it, but if you have the navigation gestures enabled, then you can only have the former option. Now you can just swipe down in the center of the bottom edge to enter this mode. Okay, so on a side note, I've been using the Realme X2 Pro as my daily driver that comes with the new Realme UI update, and I've already done a video on it which you should definitely check out. Now, why I'm talking about it is it comes with this new feature that it allows you to record from your selfie camera while recording the screen. So why am I talking about Realme UI in a video about the S10 Lite? Well, the thing is OneUI 2.0 also comes with this feature. Now to enable it, just go to quick settings and long tap on the screen recorder icon. Here, tap on the little photo icon at the bottom to adjust its size. Now the next time you record your screen, just tap on the selfie button at the top right corner to capture your selfie as well. Super simple and works really well. Okay, now speaking of selfies, there's face unlock here as well, and the best part about it is that you can register 2 different faces on it. For instance, if you're in a relationship and your partner needs to see your phone, so they can register their own face. Yes, that's how relationships work. Or relationships are built on trust. Love advice. Bye Varun. Anyway, whatever the reason be, to enable it, just head over to biometrics and security in settings and tap on face recognition. Here, just tap on add alternative look to register the second face and you're done. Now you can just unlock your phone with either of the faces that have been registered. Okay, so while we're on the topic of sharing stuff, did you know that the S10 Lite also makes it easier for you to share your data directly with your Windows PC? So it comes with the link to Windows feature that allows you to basically transfer your data, including your photos and videos, see your SMSs, get your notifications directly on your Windows PC. Now to enable it, just head over to settings, advanced settings, link to Windows, and the phone will walk you through the rest. Now one thing to note here is that you need to install the Your Phone app on your PC, which will be linked down below, and log in with the same Microsoft account. Okay, so while you can get a notification for a call that's coming on your phone on your PC as well, Samsung actually gets a step further in building their own ecosystem with connected devices. So what it does is that basically it allows me to take a phone call directly on my Tab S6, which is connected to the same Samsung account as on my phone. Now, in order to do this, simply log in to the same Samsung account on both the devices, then head over to Settings, Advanced Settings, and Call and Text on other devices. You will see all the connected devices on this list. Just enable the toggle next to the device you want and you're done. So with that, we come to an end of this video. If you like this video, like us, get subscribed, get notified. Also, if you have any queries about the S10 Lite, the comment section is yours. Go ahead, shout out all you want. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.